Now let's look at personal pronoun in Hindi. मैं is I, आप is you. Use आप for a formal you. Tu is informal, it's also you. Tum is semi-formal, that's also you. We is hum, she, and it is वह. But colloquially, people say wo. And ye is these, we is those.